Monsoon season is on and there are a lot of patients in pediatrician's clinic. You don't want to be the part of that crowd. In that case, what you should do? Very easy. Just understand what are the diseases likely to affect the child during monsoon and the ways to prevent it. My name is Dr. Vibha Dubey. I am consultant pediatrician with more than 30 years of experience. In this video, I will cover what are the diseases which are likely to affect children during monsoon. Why they affect more during monsoon season? What are the ways to protect the child during this season? So please stay with me till the end. So the schools are opening after a long gap. Kids have started going to school. Weather outside is very beautiful because it is cloudy. So there is relief from scorching heat after few showers. Students are very enthusiastic because they are meeting their friends after a long time. Parents are also happy because at last they are getting some free time. But for some parents, happiness disappears quickly because child comes back home coughing with mild fever. Could this have been prevented? 100% no, but 70% yes, by proper knowledge. Where does danger come from during monsoon? By temperature fluctuation, by infection through hand, air or water, by infection through mosquitoes, by consuming outside food. Now let us take it one by one. By temperature fluctuation. It is hot outside, suddenly it becomes windy and out of nowhere clouds appear and it starts raining. The temperature drops down. Child might also become wet if he is going to school or coming back from school. It affects even if child are young and indoors, especially if they are less than 6 months old. By infection through hand, air or water. In monsoon, weather creates a damp environment where bacteria, viruses and fungi can survive longer surfaces and on hand. So when children are playing in the wet and dirty mud, the infection can be transferred by hand, by other child through air because other child might be coughing. By dirty water, waterborne diseases are very common during monsoon season. By infection through mosquitoes. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water which is very commonly found around house in monsoon season. If we are not very careful, there is increased incidence of malaria and dengue in monsoon season, sometimes to epidemic proportions. Next, by consuming outside food. As I already mentioned, waterborne diseases like jaundice are very common during monsoon season. Many bacteria like Salmonella, this bacteria causes typhoid fever. E. coli and Staphylococcus can grow faster in warm, moist conditions. Hand of the vendor is also most likely to be dirty. Dirty means contaminated with bacteria. So what are the infections child is more likely to catch? Cough and cold, mostly viral. Dengue, malaria, typhoid, jaundice, loose motion, vomiting and pain abdomen, skin fungal infections, hand, foot and mouth disease. So how to protect the child during monsoon? Protect the child less than 6 months old by covering the head, hand and feet if temperature is quite cold. Always send the child with umbrella and raincoat in bag. After teaching them how to use it, ask the child to maintain a distance from the friend who is suffering from cough and cold till he recovers. Keep the child at home if possible if he is suffering from cough and cold. Make liberal use of hand sanitizer once child comes back from playing. After hand wash properly with a medicated soap. Try to eat only hand cooked food in monsoon period. Avoid eating outside food. Street vendor should be a strict no. If it is necessary to eat food from outside, make sure to heat it properly once it comes inside the house. Make sure your child is sleeping in the mosquito net if the mosquitoes are around, especially for infants. Make sure there is no storage of stagnant water outside the house where mosquitoes are breeding. Clean it every 2 to 3 days. That includes water in water cooler, flower pot, tank. Try to get the vicinity of your house fogged and your house also fogged if there is spread of dengue or malaria epidemic. When kids are going out to play or school, apply mosquito repellent cream or patch, whatever is convenient. Last but not the least, make sure the kids are vaccinated for influenza, typhoid and hepatitis A. Why? Because these diseases are common during monsoon periods. So I have told you everything I thought I should tell so that your kids are protected during monsoon season. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.